The importance of ethnic and regional dishes. Food is not only a means of sustenance, but also a reflection of the history, traditions, and values of a community. Ethnic and regional dishes are an important aspect of this, providing a window into the culinary heritage and cultural identity of different communities. In this article, we will explore the importance of ethnic and regional dishes, and how they contribute to the richness and diversity of the world's culinary traditions. Preserving cultural heritage. Ethnic and regional dishes are an important way of preserving cultural heritage. These dishes are often developed over generations, with recipes and techniques passed down through families and communities. By keeping these traditions alive, we are able to honor the cultural heritage and history of different communities. For example, in Mexico, dishes such as tamales, mole, and chiles en nogada are important symbols of cultural identity and pride. These dishes have been passed down through generations, and are often associated with special occasions and celebrations. By preserving and promoting these dishes, we are able to honor the cultural heritage of Mexico and celebrate its rich culinary traditions. Celebrating diversity. Ethnic and regional dishes also celebrate the diversity of the world's culinary traditions. Each community has its own unique set of ingredients, cooking techniques, and flavor profiles, which are often influenced by factors such as geography, climate, and agriculture. By exploring and embracing these different culinary traditions, we are able to celebrate the richness and diversity of the world's cultures. For example, the cuisine of Southeast Asia is known for its bold and spicy flavors, with dishes such as Thai green curry, Vietnamese pho, and Indonesian nasi goreng. These dishes reflect the culinary traditions of the region, and are celebrated around the world for their unique flavors and ingredients. By exploring and embracing these dishes, we are able to appreciate the diversity of the world's culinary traditions, and celebrate the unique contributions of each community. Promoting sustainability. Ethnic and regional dishes also promote sustainability by showcasing the use of local and seasonal ingredients. Many ethnic and regional dishes are developed using ingredients that are abundant and readily available in the local environment, which helps to reduce the environmental impact of food. Production and distribution. For example, in Italy, dishes such as pasta alla norma and caponata are developed using local ingredients such as eggplants, tomatoes, and olives. These dishes not only promote sustainability by using locally sourced ingredients, but also celebrate the culinary traditions and cultural identity of the region. Encouraging culinary exploration. Ethnic and regional dishes also encourage culinary exploration by providing opportunities to discover new and unique flavors and ingredients. By exploring different ethnic and regional dishes, we are able to expand our culinary horizons and discover new and exciting flavors and ingredients. For example, Korean cuisine is known for its use of fermented ingredients, such as kimchi and gochujang. These ingredients provide unique flavors and textures that are not commonly found in other culinary traditions, and have become increasingly popular in the global culinary scene. By exploring Korean cuisine and its unique ingredients, we are able to expand our culinary horizons and discover new and exciting flavors. Supporting local economies. Ethnic and regional dishes also support local economies by promoting the use of local ingredients and supporting local food producers and artisans. By using local ingredients in their dishes, ethnic and regional chefs are able to support local farmers and food producers, and promote sustainable and responsible food production practices.
For example, in Thailand, dishes such as pad thai and tom yum soup are developed using local ingredients such as tamarind, lemongrass, and Thai